Hi all, in this video we are going to see about some pattern setup that is based on the book Secret of the Pivot Boss. The pattern setups are Wick reversal, extreme reversal, outside reversal, doji reversal in Python. Let's see the first pattern setup, Wick reversal pattern. These are the summary for Wick reversal pattern. The body is used to determine the size of the reversal wake. The wake that is between 2 to 3.5 times larger than the size of the body. The wake means the tail. It have two tails, upper tail and lower tail. For a bullish reversal wake is exist, the close of the bar should fall within the top 35% of the overall range of the candle. For a bearish reversal wake to exist, the close of the bar should fall within bottom 35% of the overall range of the candles. Let's see in code. In Visual Studio Code, I already opened the repo trading logic which is exist in GitHub. I will share this link in the video descriptions. You can find from there. Here you can find the file market day. This is the Python file I created for testing the pattern setup. In start date, taking 8 years before itself, we are taking as start date. Then end date, it's a current date minus 1 day. In this line, we are taking the stock details from Google Sheet. Also exporting that result into the Google Sheet the same. This parameter isTest is used to do back testing. If we pass the parameter as true, then it will calculate the pattern for each day like a back testing. Here I am passing a false flag, so it will take the current date, latest date to find the pattern. This parameter JSON data, like instead of getting the input from Google Sheet, we can pass the data through the JSON value. Let's see the input in Google Sheet. Here this is the sheet. You can see the tab stock list. These are the stocks I already mentioned here. These are the input for finding the patterns. This sheet will access from my Google Sheet from here. This setup is already I posted previous videos how to get the data from Google Sheet through the Google Drive. You can find my previous videos for that one. The output will generate in this tab trading list. Let's see. Once we get the trading list stocks from the Google Sheet, here we are calculating the patterns from the date, start date and end date. Inside the calculate method, we are getting the stock details from Yahoo Finance API. Here we are getting the daily data, then here the weekly data, then monthly data, also 15-minute data, then progressing that each data through the method processing. In the progressing method, we are calculating the patterns here. Here we are looping for each stocks here, and this is the method for finding the signals based on that pattern setup. You can see within that for each, you can see the two sessions, like this is the one session and this is another session. This session is for finding the patterns for latest date. Like if it is test is false, then it will get the data for latest date. If it is true, that means test is true, then it will calculate for each date like a back testing. once we get into the method calculate trading signal based on pattern, here we are configured the each patterns, like we initially see the 4 patterns. So here in this video we are going to find only one patterns here, Bake reversal pattern. In this method we are returning the signal based on the output for this pattern. The pattern output is more bullish or normal bullish, then it will return the buy signal. If it is more bearish or normal bearish, then it will return the sell signal. Let's go into that main method which we are finding the patterns based on Bake reversal. Here we are finding the body width, then lower tail width, upper tail width, then this is that expectation for Bake. That means it is 2 times larger than the body. So the body width into the 2, like by default is 2, we can make it as 2 to 3.5. It's up to our requirement, that means up to our expectation. If it is green candle, if this condition is satisfied, then it is green candle. That means close price should be greater than open price, then it's a green candle. If it is green candle, then the lower tail is greater than the Wick. That means it is the lower tail is greater than 2 times of the body. Then the top tail percentage is 5% or smaller than 5%, then it is more bullish. Suppose that upper tail is greater than 2 times of the body, then the bottom tail percentage should be 35% or less than 35%, then it is bearish. Let's see on the picture. Here let's see the first the green candle. These are 2 green candles. Here the top tail is 5%, then it is more bullish. See, the top tail is 5% or less than 5%, then more bullish. Then these are the green candles. Suppose the bottom, this is the bottom. The bottom tail is 35% or less than 35%, then it's a bearish. If it is 35% or less than 35%, then it is bearish. Suppose if it is red candle, then the top tail percentage should be equal to 5% or less than 5%, then more bullish. If it is 35% top tails, if it is 35% or less than 35%, then it is a bearish. Let's see the red candle here. If the top tail is 35%, then bullish. See the 35%, then it is okay, bearish. Okay. Let's see. Red candle, red candle, red candle. Equal to 5 or less than 5, then more bullish. It is bullish. Okay. Okay, now it's correct. Let's see if it is 5% or less than 5%, the bottom tail, then it is more bearish. See here, the bottom is 5. Here the bottom is 5% or less than 5%, then more bearish. So we are returning more bearish. Also here this is the red candle. Here the top is 35% or less than 35%, then it's a bullish. If it is 35% or less than 35%, then it is bullish. Then it's correct logic. Let's come to the first file. Then once calculate that signal, then exporting into our Google Sheet. Okay, let's execute this program by right click, run Python file in terminal. It's progressing daily data, weekly, monthly, 15 minutes, then exporting, then finish. Let's see the output. Yeah, it's generated. See, the output is generated. Let's verify some data. Here the Gothreach JPG daily data, it's a sell signal. Okay, let's verify that one. Already I opened the Gothreach JPG daily data. Yeah, it's a daily interval. Yeah, this is the signal. Let's compare with that picture. Okay, here it's a green. Okay, green. Here see, here the bottom is 35 percentage. Yeah, here the bottom is 35 percentage. Then it's a bearish. So this is sell signal. Yeah, it's a sell signal. Then correct. Let's see some buy signal. Yeah, here we can see this one. Here it's a 15 minutes chart. It's a buy signal. Yeah, already I opened the 15-minute chart for that stock. Yeah, here let's see, it's a green. Yeah, green. Then the bottom is 5 percentage. Yeah, here it's a not bottom, top is 5 percentage. Yeah, top is 5 percentage only, less than 5 percentage. Okay, let's, this is more bullish. Then so it's next day it's going to go up. See, this is buy signal. So that all are things in this video we seen that patterns, Wick reversal pattern. Next video we will see the next pattern. You can download this code from our GitHub. When you go the GitHub, you can find our trading logic repo here. This is our trading logic repo. You can find our latest code here in the master branch, and you can check out and from other branch, or you can check out this branch, anything fine. You can also suggest to correct anything, or you can amend some logic in this repo. You can clone with your account. Yeah, please do that one. Always welcome for that. Yeah, thank you. Bye. See you again.